Hi, in front of us, we have a question from the topic systems of equations. So first of all, we are going to see what is the question asking us to find, and then we'll see what are the formulas that would be associated with this particular topic. So let's go ahead and we'll read the question. For what value of A would the system of equations below have infinitely many solutions? So this is our case. Now the first question that I would ask myself is, if two lines given, how many solutions can exist between any two lines? So that is the first thing that we are going to do. We'll see how many solutions are possible between any two lines. First of all, I'm going to assume that the equation of two lines are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0. The equation of second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0. Now the first scenario we can get is, we can have intersecting lines. If they're intersecting, we get one solution. One solution can also be said that we are getting unique solution. Second scenario is, the lines can be parallel. And when the lines are parallel, we get zero solution. Or we can also say that this is no solution scenario. Third condition is when one of the line would lie on top of another line. One line is overlapping the other. They are also called coincident lines, and they have infinitely many solutions between them. In other words, we can also say that they have more than two solutions. Now we'll also go ahead and take a look at the conditions which we'll be following for these three scenarios. When we get one solution, so we have to follow the condition that a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2. Remind me that a1 here is the coefficient of x and a2 here is coefficient of x. Similarly, b1, b2 are the coefficient of y in both the equations. Now, when we get zero solution, I'm going to write here a1 over a2 is equals to b1 over b2, which is not equals to c1 over c2. So this is our second condition for parallel lines. And for coincident lines, the condition would be a1 over a2 is equals to b1 over b2, which is equals to c1 over c2. So all three ratios are going to be equal. Now this is the condition which has been asked in the question here. So I am going to write that we have found the condition for infinitely many solutions as a1 over a2 should be equals to b1 over b2, which should be equals to c1 over c2. So here I can see that the coefficient of x is 2, which is the value of a1. So we'll write 2 upon a2 is the coefficient of x in the second equation. So we get the ratio as 2 and 4, which will be equal to b1 is the coefficient of y in the first equation upon coefficient of y in the second equation. And this is equals to c1 over c2, which is 6 over 2a. Now here we can see that this simplifies to 1 over 2. This as well simplifies to 1 over 2. And this can be written as 3 over a. So we can take this relation here and say that after cross multiplication, we would be getting a is equals to 2 times 3, and that is 6. So this is our answer. So final answer here in the options is option H. Thank you.